Right now, clean the can. Just like that. Welcome back. My name is P.O.BOX and I'm glad that you decided to join me today in the joy of watching graffiti artists struggling with traditional art by Bob Ross on a wall without brushes but with a spray paint. Yep, that's right. Today I'm following a tutorial by legendary Bob Ross. But it won't be a canvas, it will be a wall. And I won't be using traditional tools for him. Instead, I'll be using traditional tools for me. My traditional tools. Which are cans, tape, these two, let's say, painting knives, and the box from a pizza. Yeah, you heard right. Box from a pizza. So, I've never really painted landscapes, especially not on a wall, but yeah, let's see what I can make. So, we have a pre-stretched wall with a black grounding color, and we will be watching Bob Ross Arctic Beauty tutorial.
Scene on a black canvas such, and I think you'll really enjoy it. And alizarin crimson mixed together.
Alizarin crimson.
Blue.
I got black.
Purplish color.
Just
and
black.
The entire. Let's put a light source in this little painting, and maybe it's right there.
So we will start with a light source. This is gonna be fun. Hopefully. If this tape fails, P.O.BOX will turn from a calm painter into a devil. Please stay there, just stay there. Time for a happy little clouds.
Just touch the canvas.
But as you can see, he's using this palette brush, or how should I call it? I got this instead. Hopefully it's gonna work. Bob Ross is lucky because he didn't have sun in his studio. Oh yeah, and there was probably no water in his studio. Let's do the clouds. This is not gonna work. Let's try this, or even better, let's try the tape. Who would say that a stupid roll from a toilet paper might be such an awesome painting tool? Well, I like the clouds, but the sun, and I don't mean that sun that I just painted over there.
Happy little mountain. It lives right there.
Oh yeah, mountains are coming, but once again he's using this knife,
And I'm really pushing.
and where's
right into
this? My sort of knife doesn't work on this wall at all, so
Really push this paint.
well, I'll try to figure out something. Let's paint mountains. Trust myself before this painting, but this is getting interesting. I love it. Okay, it's time to do some happy little trees. Let's do it. Okay, it's time for a grass. I have to say that it would be easier with a big brush if I have a brush, but yeah, I have to. A pizza box will have to be enough. Right now, little highlights in the tree area.
Shows up. The cat shows up, just barely touching the canvas here.
Right now comes something what I'm really afraid to do. A waterfall. I have to admit that before painting of this piece, before trying this Bob Ross tutorial, I've been working on a secret project that I can't share with you yet, but I was painting on a canvas with acrylic paints, so I would be ready if I try this challenge on a canvas, but I decided to do it on a wall with my traditional tools to make it more interesting, and man, it was a challenge. But on the other hand, I love the fact that I didn't need any any special brushes or something. I've been basically using trash, you know, the pizza box, the tape. Yeah, it was... I enjoyed this painting. Also, the weather was super nice today. Perfect temperature for a painting. This is gonna last for about a few weeks and then it's gonna be freezing cold. But if we want to talk about the sun, Jesus Christ. During the whole length of the painting, I had to deal with this stupid sun. With this stupid sun effect. When I've seen that this is gonna be there for the whole length of painting, I was like, painting outside. I hate this fucking water, fucking dirt, fucking sun. I hate this. Yeah, this happens a lot when I have some problem when I paint outside, but the important thing is that it didn't stop me. Bob Ross usually painted these pieces in about 30 minutes. I needed 4.5 hours to make this. I didn't want to make an exact copy of Bob Ross's artwork. I wanted to do something a little bit mine. I think that that's what he wanted to say with his videos, that you can do basically anything, and yes, you can. Alright guys, please let me know down there in the comments below if you have an idea for a sort of similar kind of a challenge. Maybe I should try some other tutorial or something else. And yeah, if you like the final piece, thumb up would be awesome. I hope that the sun is already gone. If no, well, yeah, this is it. For sure, the sun is still here.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this Bob Ross inspired painting. I really enjoyed it and I love the result. If you like it too, thumb up would be awesome. Thanks for watching, see you next time.